Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Are you ready to start shipping your products on Shopify like a real pro? In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to set up your shipping, delivery options, and custom profiles step by step. By the end, you'll be able to confidently manage where you ship, control your rates, and streamline your order fulfillment, unlocking new possibilities for your business and delighting your customers with reliable delivery. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to your Shopify dashboard. Look for the Settings tab. It's usually at the bottom left corner. Click into Settings, then find Shipping and Delivery. This is your main control panel for everything related to getting goods to your customers. Take a moment here and just explore. Each option plays a big role in how you serve your shoppers. Now, under the Shipping section, you'll see you can manage asterisk where you ship and how much asterisk you charge. This is such a critical area because setting the right rates can make or break a customer's decision to buy. You'll see options for general shipping rates that apply to all products, but you can also tailor rates for different regions. For example, Shopify lets you set rates for both domestic and international orders, so whether you're sending packages across town or across the world, you'll have full control. Let's say you want even more customization. Maybe you sell fragile products or bulky items and you need unique rates or restrictions for those. Shopify's Create Custom Profile feature is exactly what you need. You can set up profiles for different product categories, restrict certain destinations, and really fine-tune your shipping rules. Giving your best sellers or specialty items their own profiles helps you prevent costly surprises and gives buyers clear info at checkout. Next up, shipping labels. Shopify makes this part easy. You can buy labels directly at the lowest rates and even connect your own carrier accounts if you negotiate better deals elsewhere. Think of shipping labels as both a logistical tool and a way to keep customers informed. Printed labels lead to faster, more reliable order fulfillment. You can pick your carriers, compare prices, and speed up your process so buyers get their packages sooner. One thing buyers love is knowing exactly when their package will arrive. This is where delivery expectations come in. You can set estimated delivery dates which appear right in your store, building trust and boosting your conversion rate. Some stores even enable the Shop Promise badge. That's a promise backed by Shopify's guarantee, showing customers you're top-notch at shipping. Don't worry if you're just starting, you can switch this on manually when you're ready. If you serve local customers, you have options to deliver orders directly from your location or let customers pick up their order in store. These choices not only provide more convenience but can save you money on shipping and make your store stand out locally. When customizing delivery, Shopify lets you tweak how the options look at checkout. You can hide shipping methods you don't want, reorder choices, and even rename them to fit your brand. This step might seem small, but it really polishes your buyer's checkout experience. Think of it as giving your store a personal touch. Let's talk packages for a second. When you set up packaging sizes, like your standard box dimensions and weight, Shopify uses this info to calculate shipping rates, which can save you time and money. You can add new package types if you use different boxes for different products. And the right info means no surprises at checkout, especially around shipping costs. Moving down, you can connect third-party calculated rates if you work with outside shipping carriers and want to use their pricing. This can be great as your store grows and you get better rates from shippers like UPS or FedEx. For the finishing touches, consider customizing your shipping documents, like changing your store name on shipping labels or updating packing slips. You can add custom order fulfillment by linking an email to a service that handles orders for you, which can be a game changer as orders scale up. Once that's all set, let's create a custom shipping profile. For instance, if you have fragile products, make a new profile named Fragile Products. Add just these products to the profile, pick your fulfillment location, let's say your shop in the Philippines, and then add shipping zones and rates specific to those items. This is how you expand your reach, add countries or regions to markets as you're ready to grow, and manage all your localized shipping zones from one place. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll set up Shopify shipping like a true e-commerce expert. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and drop a comment below with any questions you have. I love hearing what you're working on. And don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on guides to build your shop step by step. Happy shipping!